Hey family, how you do today? Listen, it has been raining non-stop for the past 2 weeks.
Come boy. No?
I have been sick, and so things in the garden are not looking too great. Our plants love water and need them to grow. As I said, unfortunately, some things didn't do so great in the garden while some thrived. Like, for example, these beans. They have grown over into the pathways onto the fence and they've taken over all my strawberries. So these I'll have to trellis. This breadfruit tree, it looks delightful. You can see that it has been enjoying the rain. These corn, they're vibrant and just saying, listen, we got exactly what we needed. Even the aloe vera and the cactus are smiling. And this pepper, it's huge. But not everything fared as well. For example, look at these pak choy. You would think that they would have done well. No. My bush beans all battered into the ground, lost all the blossoms. My cucumbers, they're eaten by insects and looking a lot worse for the wear. So I started moving some things. You'd have seen that this bed has gotten a lot longer. And so that is what I was doing in the garden. Since there's not much update to give you, I want to share with you what my garden looked like before this. And then in another update, I'll share with you my plans and what I'll be doing to change the garden around.